Good evening all. Today I come with a problem of HP Inktank 319. Problem is that when I on the printer, you see the message, this light is glowing. Actually this light is indicating that blackhead have to reset or replace. So we are going first to reset the blank cartridge first. Let's go. How I do, just watch. I just press this button 1 and cancel button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now nothing is happening. Again I try. This error message is coming. So again I try and press this button 1, 2, 3, 4. Again we try 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, the problem has solved.